Excel Chapter 6, pages 322 through 324. All right, you need to read page 322 about linking workbooks. Again, super important that you understand the concept of the destination file and the source file and how they're referenced in a formula. Okay, so make sure that you read 322 and 323. And then at the bottom of page 323, I want you to go ahead and do this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open the travel totals file save as, name it totals 2013. Be very careful when naming your files, particularly for those of you going on to the advanced Excel class. We reference these file names in formulas, so if you make a typo, it'll make your formula fail. So just be really careful when you're naming your files. And then as always, you're going to go to your documentation sheet and enter your name and the date, okay? And then you just need to open the files Utah and Colorado. Okay, that's all you have to do on 323. So pause real quick and do all that. And when you're ready, come back, switch to page 324. All right, so we have 4 Excel files open at the same time. So we're going to go up to the ribbon, click on the View tab, and then in the Windows group, click the Switch Window button to display a list of all the workbooks that are currently open. Okay, right here, Switch Window, and it shows me that I have Colorado, Utah, totals 2013, and New Mexico open. Click Utah to make it the active workbook, and then make Utah's summary sheet active, which it is for me. If it's not for you, just click on it. In the Windows group, click the Switch Window button and click Colorado. So the same thing, we're just going to go through here, look at our different sheets, and last make totals 2013 active. And again, we're just kind of just clicking through, looking at the files we have open so that you can review the data that's in them. Now, we're going to tile all of our open workbooks into one window, and it's going to be small little Excel windows, but for what we're going to do, it's actually really handy. So in the Windows group on the View tab, click the Arrange All button. When that opens the Arrange Windows dialog box, if Tiled is not already selected, click on Tiled and then click OK. The 4 workbooks appear in tiled layout on your screen. Click in Totals 2013 to make it the active workbook. Okay, and one of the things you need to learn to do immediately is how to tell what's active. Look at the title bars. See how these are ghosted out, so they're not active? This one is. So as we start working and we start clicking on different tiled windows, so let's say it says go to Utah. You have to click on Utah to make it active and then select whatever cell they tell you to select. So if they say go to New Mexico, you click in New Mexico's worksheet, which makes it active, and then you click on the cell they say to make active. Okay, so it actually takes 2 clicks. The first one makes it active, and then the second one actually selects the cell you're looking for. All right, that's it for this video, and now you're ready to move on and create external reference formulas.